Keith, I feel like this week we have shifted from rainy but mild, which was okay, to now just rainy and a little colder and much more unpleasant.
Yeah, today was not a good day. I don't think in anybody's book. I always find someone who will email me and say, I like today is my favorite weather. Fine, but there aren't many of them around, I don't think. Temperatures in the upper 30s to around 40 degrees, raining pretty much all day over the southern third of the state. And if we widen the picture out, the rain is now into Greenville, temperatures there in the mid 30s. We overlay temperatures because by later tonight we expect colder air to come down from Canada. But I want you to look at these temperatures just starting to fall now across northern Maine, below freezing into Caribou and Holton as well at 31 degrees. So that cold air will intersect with this precipitation and will undercut it in a lot of ways. So that means that we'll see freezing rain and freezing drizzle at least through the second half of this evening. So this is 9 o'clock tonight. It might be a little early. I think the freezing rain will take a little bit longer than that in most spots. But we do change over to freezing rain, freezing drizzle north of Bangor. And it probably ends around Waterville. This model has it dipping down into Augusta. At 33, it's kind of hard to get freezing rain to stick to anything. Along the coastline and western Maine will stay rain showers tonight with fog. And through tomorrow morning, we still have some freezing drizzle around. Eventually, we try to change over to snow across northern Maine, but it's kind of hard fought. It happens in northern Maine, but it really is hard to do in the mountains and foothills through the day tomorrow. The coast, I believe, stays rain through the day tomorrow, off and on showers, not as consistently rainy as today. And then Friday night, I think, is when most of us get a chance to change over to snow, and we get hit with this last band of snow on Saturday morning, and then things move out after that. So this one low pressure system is responsible for our weather the rest of tonight in through tomorrow and the first half at least of Saturday, and it kind of goes through a couple of phases in there. Snowfall forecast from tonight all the way through Saturday afternoon isn't a ton, 1 to 3 inches. There will be 3 to 5 over northern Maine, a couple of spots of 3 to 5 possible, maybe high terrain ski areas, which would be great for them. They've had a really rough stretch, obviously. And then coating possible in the lighter shaded white here, but I don't think there'll be any real accumulation there. As far as ice accretion, forget the numbers because 0.4 is actually a ton of ice. But I think we're looking at anywhere in the shaded pink, seeing a chance for some freezing rain, freezing drizzle tonight, early tomorrow morning, mostly not on roads. Probably the surface is a bit warm there, but looking at cars and branches and all that for a glazing of ice. Quiet after that. Sunday we finally see the sun, if you remember what that looks like. My wife was looking for self-tanner today, like the kind that you spray on. Sold out everywhere. I wonder why that is. Maybe because we haven't seen the sun in forever. Some coming back in on Sunday. Sunday night looks good for New Year's Eve. And into New Year's Day is quiet too. Tuesday, Wednesday, quiet. And then we're watching our next storm on Thursday, but no major storms in the immediate vicinity. One final note here, Brian, that's interesting. El Nino years, statistically in the Northeast, have late winter storms.
Oh.
So it seems January 15th and beyond, statistically, is when we get a lot of snow in El Nino years. So,
all right. We don't have to freak out about winter yet.
Yeah, exactly.
We still have a lot of time.
Yep.
All right, Keith, thank you.